Alright guys, my name is Lucas, and in the last tutorial we created this, which basically it's a program, simple animation program that moves the bug around like that. Okay, in this tutorial we are going to extend this program into a little bit more of an object-oriented manner. So basically, Well, what we want to do is something like this. Um, so, to say we want to instantiate a new pick bug, a new bug object, right? So, bug uh, bug one equals new bug, like that, right? But since we don't have the bug class yet, we can't do that. So what we're gonna do in this tutorial is we're gonna create a bug class. So it's under project, add class, and make sure you highlight class. And I'm gonna call this bug because it's the bug class. All right. So you have the bug class, and it's basically the same set of code as before. So what we can do is we can copy in X, in Y, right, and then window height and window width. So I'm just gonna cut that. Notice everything is wonky here, but we're gonna fix that later. All right, so class variable, those are class variable, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a subroutine. So public sub, call it anything you want. I'm gonna call it go, and then go is gonna take a picture. Well, say pick as picture box, right? So we're gonna pass in the picture box. So what we're gonna do, we are going to basically copy all this here. Let me see. There and all this. Okay, so bam. Yeah, notice index and y is a little still wonky, but we're gonna fix that. No worries. Okay, and then we're gonna paste it into our bug class. Okay, so here we have if start then. We don't need that actually, so I'm gonna delete it, right? And here me.client change me since we don't have me anymore. So me is referring to the bug class, right? So that won't work. So it's gonna be form one since we didn't rename it. It's by default form one. So I'm gonna change that to form one. Form one. Client size, right? And then pick bug here. We don't have a pick bug, right? Because this bug class don't have a pick bug, but we're gonna pass a pick bug into the go function. So what we do is we substitute that pick bug with pick. So everything that's referencing the pick bug, we just put pick. There, there. You can do a search and replace, but there's only a few of them, so I'm just gonna do it manually. All right, so there you go. So you have a go function now in the bug class. So basically, that's all you need for the bug class, and basically that's it. So here we still gonna need that if start then, right? Because if we don't have that, then when you click start, nothing's gonna happen. So if the user clicks start, what we're gonna do? We are going to call the go function, right? But before we do that, we need to instantiate, right? What instantiate does is creates a new bug object. So dim bug one equals new bug. All right, and then just for kicks, dim bug two equals new bug. All right, so we have two bug object of the bug class that we just created. Now to do something with this, we need to set the value, the x and y value. Okay, so we know that window height and window width is already set to the current window height and window width, right? So, but the int x and int y, we need to set it for each of the the bug. So we're gonna do it here. So bug one dot, right, one dot int x. Hold on. Why is this not int x? Oh, okay. Set these to public. In other object-oriented programming, private would work because you instantiate the bug class. So you set it to private. You know that's the whole point of OOP, object-oriented programming, is to have all data types private. But for some reason, Visual Basic is not it's not per se an object-oriented programming. But we're gonna assume that that it is, and then we're gonna code as if it were an object-oriented programming language. I don't think Visual Basic is an OOP language. I know it's a procedural type language, but that I'm not sure. But